So hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be learning how to create an push notification service using Twilio API. So this is the simple Python code which will be required to create the service using Twilio API. So I'll explain this code. So firstly, we are importing the OS library and the Twilio library in Python, and you need to download this using pip install library Twilio. After this, we are using .env to store our environmental variables and access them. So using this function, we can access our environment variables which are stored in the .env file. So to use this Twilio API, you will need an account SID and an auth token from Twilio, which you can get under the account keys and credentials section after you log in into your Twilio console. So you have to copy this SID and your auth token from this website, and you need to paste it here, or you need to paste it inside the env file. After that, these two are used to establish a connection between your number, which is provided to you by Twilio, which will send the SMSs. So you get that number under the mobile number section on the Twilio. So if you go to phone numbers and if you go to the active numbers, you will get the number which is assigned to you by Twilio, through which you can access the services which Twilio has to offer. So this is the number, which is the dummy number which the Twilio provides me for free under its free plan. To also send messages to any number you want in the free plan of Twilio, you need to register that number under the verified caller IDs under the phone number section in Twilio. So this is an important step for free plan, because Twilio won't allow you to send messages to random people to avoid spamming of messages to anyone. So after getting your account SID and auth token, you need to go under the phone number section in Twilio console and select your active number and select verified caller ID and add your number. After that, you establish a connection using the client function in Twilio. So the client function takes in your account SID and auth token to establish a connection. So to send message to your number, all you need to do is create a message variable in which you use the created client connection and select the method you want to use, which is the messages method, and you create the message. So to create a message, all you require is a body. A body is the message which will be sent. So you can customize this message, you can add emojis, you can also use HTML content to add images as well in this image, in this text. And in the from underscore section, you will add the number which is provided to you by Twilio, and in the to section you will add the number to which you want to send the SMS to. So after this code gets run, you will get an completed message that the message has been sent to this number. So you can see the status of the message using this function, and you can see the SID or the unique ID of the sent message using this function. So on running this code, you will be able to successfully send messages to Twilio using Twilio API. Thank you for watching, guys. Do like and subscribe to my channel to gain more such videos, and comment down below what would you like me to create videos on, so I can create more such videos for you. Thank you for watching.